When you search for kitchen gadgets under $50, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Umite Chef Mixing Bowl Set. Let's kick things off with the Umite Chef Mixing Bowl Set. Priced at $35.99, this 26-piece set grabbed my attention with its stylish khaki color and stainless steel construction. If you want a reliable mixing and serving solution, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These mixing bowls come with airtight lids, so you can store your ingredients without worrying about spills. The non-slip silicone bottoms keep everything stable while you're mixing, which is a game changer if you've ever had a bowl slip off the counter. Plus, the variety of sizes from 1QT to 7QT means you'll always have the right bowl for the job. With a 4.8-star rating across 4,800 reviews and over 7,000 units sold in the last month, people are clearly loving this set. Now some folks mention that the stainless steel can stain if not cleaned properly after use. Here's the thing, though, if you make it a habit to clean them right away, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's perfect for you if you want a versatile mixing solution without compromising on style. Skip this one if you're looking for a set that can handle high-heat tasks, as these bowls are more for mixing than cooking. Now, if the price of the mixing bowls feels a bit steep, the next product on our list is a more budget-friendly option that also saves you time in the kitchen. Product number 2, Full-Star Pro Vegetable Chopper. Next up is the Full-Star Pro Original Vegetable Chopper, priced at $23.73. This little device quickly became a favorite, especially with its rave reviews. If you want to chop your veggies in seconds, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its large 5-cup capacity, you can dice your vegetables in just 30 seconds. The stainless steel blades are heavy-duty and rust-resistant, ensuring they stay sharp for a long time. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleanup is a breeze. With over 128,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this chopper has proven itself to be a reliable kitchen helper. Now, some users complained about the difficulty in cleaning the blades thoroughly. Honestly, I get that it can be tricky, but if you're careful and use a small brush, this shouldn't be a significant issue. This gadget is perfect for anyone looking to make meal prep faster and easier. Skip this one if you prefer manual chopping, as this tool is all about speed and convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are just starting their cooking journey. Product number 3, Astercook Kitchen Utensils Set. The next gem is the Astercook 39 PCS Kitchen Utensils Set, which comes in at just $19.98. I was drawn in by the sleek design and wooden handles. If you need a comprehensive set of cooking tools, this is worth considering. Plus, they're BPA-free, which is crucial for safe cooking. The soft silicone heads won't scratch your non-stick cookware, so you can cook without worrying about damaging your pans. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,500 reviews, it's clear this set is being well received. However, one downside is that this set isn't dishwasher safe, which could be a hassle for some. But if you're okay with a bit of hand washing, it's still a fantastic value. This is perfect for anyone who loves to cook or is just starting out. Skip this if you want a set that can go directly into the dishwasher without a second thought. Now, if the idea of hand-washing utensils didn't sit well with you, the next product is all about keeping your kitchen clean and hassle-free. Product number 4, ZAA Sink Drain Strainer. Next, we have the ZAA Sink Drain Strainer, priced at $8.99. It caught my eye with its innovative 3-in-1 design. If you're tired of clogged drains, this one's a lifesaver. Here's why this matters for you. This strainer combines a stopper, a strainer, and odor isolation in one. You can press the button to store water for washing or drain it while catching food scraps. No more messy cleanups. The anti-clogging basket makes it easy to filter out leftovers without getting your hands dirty, which is a huge plus. With a 4.6-star rating from 13,900 reviews, people are loving its functionality. Now, some users mention that it may not fit all sink sizes perfectly. Here's the thing, though, just make sure to measure your sink before buying to avoid any issues. This is perfect for anyone looking to keep their sink clean and functional. Skip this if you have an unusually small or large sink drain, as it might not fit perfectly. Alright, that was a clever solution for your kitchen. But if you want something a bit more playful and versatile, our last product on this list is a must-have. Product number 5, culinary kitchen funnel set. Finally, we have the culinary kitchen funnel set, which is a steal at $5.98. These funnels stood out to me because of their collapsible design and vibrant colors. If you often find yourself needing to transfer liquids easily, this is a handy tool. The collapsible design saves space. 4 funnels take up less room than a single traditional funnel. They're easy to clean and store, which is perfect for any busy kitchen. With a 4.6-star rating from 28,300 reviews, they're clearly a popular choice. Some users noted that the silicone can retain some odors. Honestly, I get it, it can happen. However, a quick wash with soap usually does the trick. Skip this if you prefer rigid funnels, as these are more flexible. So those are my top 5 kitchen gadgets under $50, and honestly, each one has its own unique strengths. The mixing bowls are stylish and practical, while the chopper and utensil set make meal prep a breeze. The drain strainer keeps your sink mess-free, and the funnel set is perfect for saving space. Each of these gadgets brings something special to your kitchen without breaking the bank. To wrap it up, we covered the Umite Chef mixing bowls for stylish mixing, the Full-Star Pro chopper for quick veggie prep, the Astercook utensil set for all your cooking needs, the ZAA drain strainer to keep your sink clean, and the culinary funnel set for transferring liquids easily. Each of these gadgets is under $50 and can make a real difference in your kitchen. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.